So guys, first of all, I'll show you how to get planes in War Thunder game. So you can see that you can choose only ships and tanks, but I'll show you how can you do that. So first of all, let's choose tanks first. Now you have to play this game for a while until you see a plane over here next to these bullets. Now guys, you can see that these planes has been activated. You just need to click on it, and so I need to go to my target first. Now you can see that I can play with planes as well. So I got this plane after playing 2 or 3 level. Now I can target my can see this is how you can use plane or get plane. So when the air strikes begin, you can use plane, and mostly the game is on a tank, so you have to use you can use tank mostly, but sometimes it allow you to play or allow you to use plane as well. I hope you get it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.